In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this, a loose handrail. Should be really easy, but you might not know where to start. That's why I'm making this video. So right here, you have your bracket that holds the handrail on, and then you have this piece right here that attaches to the handrail. So a couple things could be loose here. It's probably either your bracket into your wall, which this one is not, this is tight, or this piece right here, which looks like the culprit. If this bracket was loose, you could try tightening these up if they went into a stud, or if not, if they used anchors and the anchors are loose, you might have to take these out and get some bigger anchors. I personally like the big ones that have the threads on them. They hold really well. But in our case, it's this, so we're gonna just try to tighten these screws up that go up into the handrail and see what that does first. Try not to strip them. And this one here. And that did not do anything. So these screws also could be loose, and you may have to pre-drill and just move this bracket. Luckily, there's plenty of room here, but I can't seem to get that tight enough. So I'm gonna try something to get that tighter. I think over the years, this has probably just kind of bent, and obviously it has made it loose. So I'm gonna take these screws out, and I'm gonna take that piece right off. And there's a couple different ways you could do this, but since this handrail is actually temporary because I'm going to be replacing it eventually, I'm just gonna do a temporary fix. So there's a couple different things you could do for this, but basically you just need to add some material in here or here. You can take something like a small piece of metal, bend it to fit in here, something like this, and then as you tighten it down, it'll just fill in around that. But if you don't have anything like that laying around, maybe you have some electrical tape. And this might look a little hacky, probably because it is, but again, this is temporary. Just want to tighten this up. Just go around this a couple times just to make up for that difference from it loosening up over the years. And that should even be enough. Since I did take those screws out, I'm going to try and put some slightly bigger ones in, and I'll go in the same hole. Alternatively, you can take that bracket and just move it over slightly and pre-drill new holes, and that would probably do the same thing. Let's see how this works. Hold the railing tight against the wall. As you can see, it's staying up on its own. So we filled that in a little bit. One screw started, and the other one. And just hold that railing tight to the wall. Tighten these. And that is nice and tight now. So whichever method you choose. But as you go down here, this is actually loose too. So we're gonna tighten that up. So right here, this connection is starting to fail. You can see they used finish nails. They may have glued it at some point. If you weren't replacing this eventually, you could sneak some glue in here, some wood glue, and then wipe it with a towel afterwards, with a wet paper towel, and get these nails back in, and that might be enough, but you could also add screws to it if you needed to. All I'm gonna do is set this nail and try and bring this closer together and put a couple screws in here. And I'm not gonna worry about filling it with nail hole filler or anything like that. Just wanna make it safer. I'm gonna take a couple of these small finish screws, and these are self-drilling. Try not to hit the other nails and go in at a pretty good angle. Kind of like that. And just line this up. Again, you can fill this if you wanted to. And right here. And even another alternative to that is you could take a bracket like this, and I've bent it a little bit. You'd have to bend it to the angle, but you could put some screws in here and some screws in here and tighten that up. That way, at least all of the stuff is hidden on the bottom. But totally up to you. As long as this is safe, which it is, there's a couple different options for you if you had a loose handrail. I hope the video helps. Thanks for watching.